Fennel seed tea, one of my favorites for relieving stomach aches, indigestion, bloating, gas, upset stomach. It's amazing. I use about a teaspoon of fennel seeds and I put it in boiling hot water. This is what the fennel seeds look like. They're flavorful, taste like licorice, and it's really great for your digestion. So I put the fennel seeds in my teacup. And I add my boiling hot water to my teacup. You'll notice how the water turns a beautiful light yellow, almost green color, and it is a delicious tea. I let it steep for about 5 minutes. You can see how the water turns color very quickly, and after 5 minutes of steeping, I enjoy this tea and I find relief and comfort to my digestive system. So if you have any digestive issues that you want some relief from, try some fennel seeds and make some tea with the fennel seeds and tell me what you think. I hope to hear from you, and remember to subscribe if you'd like to get more videos, more helpful tips and information, and I look forward to sharing with you. Brewing fennel tea is easy. Here are the instructions. Remember, fennel improves your digestion and it will stimulate the secretion of digestive juices. Fennel seeds also help to combat bad breath when you chew on them. It refreshes your breath quickly. Fennel also helps to reduce asthma and other respiratory ailments. And fennel is excellent for helping to reduce symptoms of colic. Fennel also helps to improve the skin and is a great facial toner. Fennel helps to purify the blood and flush out toxic compounds from your body. Fennel helps to improve eyesight as it contains vitamin A. And fennel is great to help with weight loss, as the fennel seeds are rich in fiber and help to curb hunger. So feel great with fennel tea and fennel seeds. Remember to subscribe to more videos and ring the bell so you get notifications of new videos.